For the transgressions of my people, He was punished. Christ was punished for us. And this is my favorite part. And it pleased the Lord to crush Him. It pleased God the Father to crush God the Son for us. And on that cross, Christ screams out, He says, "It is finished." He says, "It's finished." He's paid the price. This was a victory call. This was a victory shout. He's like, "It's finished." The penalty had been paid. The price had been paid. He drank down the last drop of the wrath of God for us. It pleased Him to crush Him. And I love that victory cry.